Okay, so now we're going to talk about outlining, which is our next step, and we're going to be spending a good amount of time on this just because this is what is going to make your paper successful. So the first thing is to know that your thesis is the paper's roadmap, and your paper is the road trip. So the outline is a complement to the thesis statement and acts like the trip's itinerary. So it pretty much jumps and shows how you get from each main idea from your thesis and how you're going to break those down into paragraphs, specific examples, and all that other stuff. So what I have here is an example, like really basic. So you have your Roman numeral 1, so it's your first main idea from your thesis. Then, when you did your mind map, you broke that up into two different main ideas or sub-main ideas. All right, and each one of those will be its own paragraph. So then your 1 and your 2 underneath it will be specific details or quotes for support. If you have a quote, we're going to talk about that. You'll have a little A and B underneath to connect to the other work in the main idea. I don't expect you guys to completely understand this right now. I just want you to write this down and have it in your notebook for when we actually apply it. And then your B will be your second main paragraph from your mind map under your main idea. And you'll do the same thing with the quotes. So you'll do the same thing for 2 and 3, now, which are your other two main ideas from your thesis, and then each A and B will be their own body paragraphs. And like I said, once we get the quotes down in your specific examples, we'll be able to apply this a little bit better. I am going to walk you through all of this, so just make sure you write it down and then you'll be good to go.